Start with coloring the first leaf, and I want you all to take out light yellow, number 243.
This is 240.
243. Then you will take out light green, 240. And you will take out dark green, 102. These are the three colors that you need. 243, 243.
Ma'am, I don't know 243.
First color will be light yellow, which is 243. Now I want everybody to pay attention on how I am coloring. You're going to hold it in the normal oil pastel way, and in this leaf, okay, in this leaf, we have this center line. Okay, now can all of you all see this center line in your leaf? We have the center line in our leaf. Okay, so we will first take light yellow, which is 243, and from the center line towards the outside, that is still the outward line of the leaf. Okay, now what I want you all to follow here is the direction in which I am coloring. So I will not color from out to in. I will color from in to out. Okay, and also not dark, because we will be using these two colors also. So we will not be coloring dark. We will color very lightly, just the way we colored in that illusion pattern last class.
Yes.
Yes, same way. Yes. Yes, and please keep your rough paper. Okay, see how I am coloring. I am going like curve, because my leaf is curvy, isn't it? Now on the left side, you will color again from in to out, and you will go in the shape of your leaf. Understood? And you have to color it very, very lightly. Chalo, let's all start coloring light yellow now. Yes. The center line that we have, we will color the center line. Not very dark, not very light, like medium with dark green. So, normal, yes. With the color dark green, we will color the center line. Try that the color doesn't go outside the center line. So take dark green and color.
Ma'am, but I'm doing the yellow.
The veins that we have, we will just make a dark line on it. These 6 veins that we have. And again, not very dark, dark. Now just pay attention. I am taking it from inside out. I am not coming from out to in. I am taking from the center line and going towards the end. From center line to the end of the line.
So dark green dot is not yet over.
Yes.
Then can you start doing it?
Yes, please. Light green. 240. Light green.
I knew it.
You knew it, right? Okay. Now, we will start from down. Okay?
Yes.
From the bottom part of the leaf. Okay? Now, see carefully. We will not color the full leaf this time. Okay? We will color little bit. Again from in to out, and very little bit. Okay, we will not color the full leaf, just little part of the leaf. Okay, now did you see how on the top side I am going upwards? I am coloring upwards. Yes, so we should. Now see, for the right side, I colored from left to right. That is from in to out. And for this side, I am coloring from again in to out. That is from right to left. Okay, start coloring, bachcho log. Again, we will again take dark green, but this time dark green will not be colored dark. Okay, just the way we colored in the center line, like regular, not very dark, not very light, same way. But from where are we going to start coloring? This is the place where we finished our light green coloring. So from that part. And again, not till the end. We will not go till the end. Just where we finished coloring our light green, we will extend the line little bit more than the 6 lines. Okay, so it will go little bigger than the 6 lines. So we'll just keep coloring like this. Okay.
Ma'am, is it lighter?
Medium, not very light, not very dark. Like how we colored in the center line, like that. Again, make sure you're going from in to out. Okay, make sure you're going from in to out.
Okay.
We will take light green again, and now this time we will color from out to in. Okay, and we will, yes, that is from outside in, and we will match it till our dark green area.
Ma'am, do we go till the end and come back?
You can start from the top and go till the end.
Ma'am, is it fine?
Yes, it is better. Yes, Dash, it is better. So now take light green and from outside to in. Till now we were coloring in to out. Now we will color from out to in.
Ma'am, how does this look?
I'll just see. Yes, it looks correct.
Ma'am, is it correct?
Yes, yes, Jasmine, it's going right.
Ma'am, now can I start this wash that color?
Yes, baby.
Ma'am, this is Varsha.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, okay. Is it correct?
Yes, Varsha, correct. Aru, keep your paper straight, beta. Yes, it's correct.
Most of the leaves are dark green and light green.
Yes, mostly the leaves are dark green and light green, and sometimes we also have brownish color when they are about to. We will just take dark green and yes, and small lines in between randomly. Just randomly, somewhere small, somewhere little big. Don't make it very dark. And then you can draw some random lines like this. Because the leaf has got too many lines in them, isn't it? Just like our palm.
Yeah, like that.
Yes. So you can just draw random lines. The line, but make sure they are curvy lines, okay? Not straight lines, curvy lines. That's it. Leaf green 233 and dark green 102. Only these two colors. Now, we will first take leaf green and we will color the full leaf, even the center line. Okay, but how are you going to color? From down to upwards. And in the curvy direction, no vertical. Okay, because the leaf is a curved line object. So it has to be colored in curvy direction.
Ma'am, light or dark?
Medium, not very light, not very dark. When you color, make sure that the lines that we have drawn are seen.
Ma'am, I wrote it very light.
Very good. And try that it should not go outside the line, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you have to do full.
Our next color is dark green. And all the lines that we have, okay? This 1, 2, 3. There are 3 lines inside.
Yes, ma'am.
So the first line which is inside, which is joining the end point, you will color dark green on that. Little dark. Okay?
Fully dark.
Fully dark. But only that center line, okay?
Now only the right side or only the left side?
In between. The line which is going till the end. See this line, the line which is going till the end.
Oh, that line. Then
Yes.
I'm done.
Okay?
Ma'am, this one,
Yes, dear.
which I already did.
Yes. After that, the corner, the right hand side, we have one more line over here. Now I want you all to see how I am coloring that. I will start from down and I will go up, not very dark, okay, and little, like small strokes, but not touching the corner. Pay attention here, see, not touching the corner line. I will not touch the corner line, okay. I will just be towards the inside line. And small strokes. So first I did color like this and then small strokes.
In a breakup pattern way, right?
Correct. And then again from bottom little bit like this. And for this side, the last line, we will just make a outline kind of a line. So we will not make an outline like this. We will go like this, like broken lines. Okay. We need 281 olive green. We need 108 deep green and 490 yellow gray. Now how we are going to color? We will color this yellow gray in all these rounds, all these small rounds, and you will color yellow gray, that is the color 490. We will color in all these circles, but we will color in round way because they are circles, right? So color them round with yellow gray. Every circle has to be colored with yellow gray. And our next color is deep green, 108. With deep green, we will just color this line.
And broken lines?
Yes, broken lines, correct. And the lines of the circle also, the broken lines.
Okay.
And put one dot in the big circles. Just one dot, yes, with deep green beta, 108. And we will color these two leaves again in the direction of the leaf and from in to out.
Ma'am, light?
Medium, not very light, not very dark.
Okay.
Medium, and you will go in the direction of the leaf. See how I am coloring like round. So you will also color in this curvy direction because the leaves are curved, right?
Yes.
One second. Yes, correct.
Leaf number 4.
Alright. After this, you will just take dark green and hold your color ulta.
Ulta?
Yes, don't hold this side. Hold on the other side.
Oh. Now what color?
Dark, deep green, 108. We will just draw a line on this line. And just like in the first leaf, we had drawn some random lines, remember? We will draw some random lines in this also.
What are the leaf colors?
This is deep green right now.
Leaves का color क्या है?
Olive green.
So are we done with coloring the leaves?
Yes, this is how we color our leaf number 3. It looks like a feather, it is more like an oak leaf. Okay?
Oh.
An oak leaf has very beautiful colors. So for this leaf, we will be using yellow ochre, buff 029, color number 029, color number 393, which is scarlet, and olive green 281. First color is buff 029. Take your first color as buff. Okay, and we will start coloring from the bottom, okay, towards up. Now we will color from down to upwards. Okay, just like all the other leaves, we'll color from down to upwards. We will not touch the center line. Leave the center line, and this will have to be colored very lightly. Just like how we colored light yellow in the first leaf, same way. So you will go very lightly. Okay, hold the color like this and go extremely light. And go from inside to outside, from in to out. Okay? And do not color horizontal or vertical lines, go curvy lines. Yes, dear?
So we have to color from the line in the middle.
Yes, dear. From the center line, which is in the middle, from there towards the outside line that we have drawn. Yes, we have to color very lightly, just how we colored light yellow yesterday in the first leaf, same way.
Ma'am, do we have to color that beach, the center line?
No, that beach wala center line we don't have to color. See, you can always turn your notebook like this to make it easy for you to color. Because it is difficult to color like this. So that's why we can always... Yes. Our next color is olive green. And we will hold it ulta. Yes. Again. And we will color the center line. Because center line is very thin, right? So inside the center line, and this you can color little dark.
Olive green is dark.
Yeah, and if you color olive green light, it is hardly seen. But since it's a center line and we want it to be seen, so it can be colored dark. Okay. Now, yes, very good. Now everybody take scarlet. 393. With scarlet, see how I am coloring the leaf. I will be coloring only the corners. Okay. Not the whole leaf, only the corners. But here you have to see how I am going to color. I am going to hold the color in this way. And I am going to go round. Okay, see. I will just go round and I'm coloring lightly. I'm not going very dark. Okay, can you all see? So start now, start coloring. And go round and round and round. And make like scribble rounds, very small scribbles and very light scribbles. 1 second, I will just have a look at everybody's work. Just yes. It should look like pancake on leaf.
What about the top?
Even on the top, even on the top, you can color round and round. Just color it very lightly. Again, and now from the ulta side, just make curvy lines from the center line to each of this curve that we have on the corner.
Ma'am, what do you mean by that?
Okay, we have these curves at the corner of the leaf, right? Now from the center line, make a curvy line till, so between each curve, we should have one curvy line like this. So these are basically the veins that we have inside our leaves, the lines and all that we see in the leaves. Okay? And just make random lines, how many ever lines you want. Yes. Yes, dear. Yes, correct, Varsha. Now just make random lines inside. But all lines should be curvy. After this, yes, correct. After this, take scarlet. Yes.
Like this?
Yes, Aryali. Correct. Okay, now take scarlet, and with scarlet, not everywhere, in some places, in the bottom, at the bottom here, somewhere in between, then again somewhere in between, then little bit on the top. Yes, between those curvy lines of the olive green. You can just randomly color scarlet wherever you want.
No. Can we start?
Yes, please start.
Ma'am.
See how I am randomly coloring just wherever I want. 1 second, I'll have a look at it. I'm gonna take olive green now and just in some places randomly just color, but remember to color in curved way, okay? Do not color horizontal or vertical, color it in curved way. Kahin pe bhi, you can color it just randomly.
But little, right?
Little, yes. Yes, dear.
And the leaf is what?
Just now your leaf is done. For this common leaf, we will need sap green 391. Then we need yellow green. That is 240. Sorry, yellow green is not 240. Yes, 488. Thank you. 488. We need dark green, which is 102. I will repeat the colors. 391, 488, 102. So the first color that I will take is yellow green, and I'm gonna color yellow green on the first leaf. See, I'm going to color yellow green very lightly. Always remember the first base color is light. Yes, dear?
तो पहले yellow green पूरे leaf में करूँ.
Full leaf will be yellow green. After that, we will be taking sap green and one side will be colored sap green. One side of the leaf will be sap green. Okay?
Can we choose any side?
Yes, you can choose any side. And the bottom side or the other side will be dark green.
This looks like a fancy leaf.
This looks like a fancy leaf, yes.
A very fancy leaf.
Now the side on which we have colored dark green, we will take sap green and little bit on top of it we will color with sap green.
That is dark green and color it on sap green.
Okay, now in one or two leaves if you want, see in the second leaf I will show you, I will make sure that little bit of yellow green is also seen. Because some of the leaves are newly born leaves, some leaves are which are little old. So in this leaf, I will leave one side as yellow green itself. I will not color sap green on that side too much. I will...
जिस साइड पे बहुत पतली ब्लैक उनको सिर्फ येलो ग्रीन चाहिए है ना.
Correct. See, like this one, I have done little bit of yellow green. I have done little sap green, and even the dark green has been colored lightly. Right? Especially the leaf which is right on the top, that one can be left as yellow green and dark green itself because that is the smallest leaf. So that can be the new leaf.
Like this.
Yes, yes, correct. You're going right, Ariel.
Mom, can I color one side dark green on the new leaf to look like a tree's color in it?
Sure, why not? Why not? Definitely.
Mom,
Yes.
is it like that?
Yes, it's going correct, Avishi.
Mom, color.
Can you please repeat your question, Beta?
What is the center line color?
Center line will be sap green.
Mom, until both the sides are equally mota, green only, na?
Yes, Varsha.
What two colors do we have to use?
See, whenever you're coloring a thin area, na, thin lines, you can always make your color ulta. Isn't it?
Then it comes a little bit dark.
Yes, and it doesn't even go outside the line. It remains inside the line.
How does this look?
See, we are done with all the 5 leaves.